Now I'm gonna lift the carbon wheels, pure carbon. It's not even clear coated. It's just polished raw carbon, not even clear coat. And without a wheel this time. It's super light. It weighs nothing. So and so I bought 4 of these wheels for my Agera, so I will change these heavy ones. So I have a bit lighter wheels on my Agera for the summer. You cannot drive around with small. Very easy, very easy. So many of you have wondered the weight of this pure carbon wheel, and it actually says here if you have using the metric system. It's 6,572 grams for the rim itself, so that means 6.572 kilos. So it's super light and much stronger than your regular alloy wheel, and it's I believe like a huge performance gain because the unsprung weight decreases like incredible or a lot with this. So it's really beautiful. So the heavy part here is the wheel or the tire itself, the Michelin Supersport regular tire. So it's not like your track optimized tire. It's a regular Michelin Supersport. So it's not even Cup or R tire. But beautiful work, and you can see it's quite wide as well. Dimensions is like 345, 30, 20-inch wheels. So it's a huge tire, but it's not that heavy at all. And this is a must on your car, I would say. So, here is the Koenigsegg full carbon wheel. Six kilos carbon fiber, pure. The whole is carbon fiber. Not a single part is not carbon fiber. State-of-the-art technology. Lift it easily. Easy to lift. Weighs nothing. Well, not too much.
It's a world sensation, I would say, even with our new carbon fiber wheels, which you see here, which is the first hollow one-piece carbon fiber wheels on any production car. The only metal piece in these wheels is actually the check valve where you put in the air into the wheel. Otherwise, it's only carbon fiber. And we call them AirCore technology wheels because the core of the wheel is actually just air. Even in the centerpiece here, it's hollow with air inside. So we developed a production process which enables us to make very complex carbon fiber skin constructions and thereby saving a lot of weight. So these wheels actually save 20 kilos in unsprung mass. And that's much more important than saving 20 kilos inside the car or in the engine or so on, because this is actually accelerating mass, braking mass, and moving mass at very high frequencies. So it's a great enhancer for both performance and comfort. We also have a new...
Here's the Koenigsegg full carbon wheel. Six kilos carbon fiber, pure. The whole is carbon fiber. Not a single part is not carbon fiber. State-of-the-art technology. You can lift it easily. Easy to lift. It's nothing. Well, not too much. Chocolate brakes, chocolate colored brake, calipers, new carbon wheels.
Handbrake now as well.
Oh, exactly, yeah.
Over on the right side.
Yeah. And we see the electric e-brake. Oh yeah, there we have it. Wow.